Microsoft Surface Pro X 2020. Surface Pro X 2020 with Microsoft SQ2 processor and a new platinum finish is now available for purchase in India. Microsoft launched the new Surface Pro X as its latest Windows-based tablet earlier this month. It can deliver up to 15 hours of battery life on a single charge and offer an improved performance over the existing Surface Pro X that debuted in the Indian market in May. The updated Surface Pro X also retains the 13-inch display featured on the earlier model. Microsoft Surface Pro X 2020 price in India, availability. The Surface Pro X 2020 with 256GB storage carries a price tag of 149,999 rupees, while its 512GB variant is priced at 178,999 rupees. The tablet comes in platinum and black finishes and offers 4G LTE connectivity. In addition to the updated Microsoft Surface Pro X, Microsoft has also brought its signature keyboard in 3 new color options: Platinum, Ice Blue, and Poppy Red. The Surface Pro X 2020 will be available through authorized resellers starting today. Online platforms including Amazon are yet to start selling the new model. Microsoft launched the updated Surface Pro X in India during its global debut a couple of weeks ago. The tablet went up for pre-orders in the country following the official launch. Microsoft Surface Pro X 2020 specifications. Surface Pro X 2020 runs on Windows 10 Home and features a 13-inch Pixel Sense display with a 2880 by 1920 pixels resolution. It is powered by Microsoft SQ2 processor that has been co-developed with Qualcomm, paired with Adreno 690 GPU and 16GB of LPDDR4X RAM. There is also a Qualcomm Snapdragon X24 LTE modem for 4G connectivity. The tablet comes with nano SIM and eSIM slots. In addition to cellular connectivity, the new Surface Pro X comes with Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, GPS, a GPS, GLONASS, and 2 USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports. There is also a Surface Connect port for charging as well as a Pogo pin connector for attaching the magnetic signature keyboard. The Surface Pro X includes an accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, and an ambient light sensor. It measures 287 by 208 by 7. 3 mm and weighs 774 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.